So hi, good evening. Now I answer the question, how does social media help families, social workers, and government during calamities? So during calamities, social media has become fast and more important tool for sharing information during calamities, unlike in the past. Because in the past, information was only provided by the traditional media, such as print, radio, and TV. Now, in modern day, the communication is faster, wider, and more interactive. So, the families use social media to check of each other's safety, ask for help when needed. And the social workers benefits because they can see the real-time updates, photos and videos from the affected areas, and help them to know where the information where the response must needed. And the government also use social media to quickly post warnings, evacuation orders then evacuation orders of important reminders. So, since the information spread instantly, social media help makasave siya times ba, then makaguide sa mga rescue teams, then protect more lives during disasters.